Mantra Chain is strategically positioned as a security-first, regulatory-compliant Layer 1 blockchain, purpose-built on the Cosmos SDK for the tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs. Its fundamental mission is to bridge the chasm between traditional finance, TradFi, and decentralized finance, DeFi, by offering a robust, compliant, and scalable infrastructure for digitizing a diverse array of physical and financial assets. The platform distinguishes itself through its unwavering emphasis on regulatory adherence, integrating advanced Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) protocols, alongside sophisticated decentralized identity (DID) systems. Seamless cross-chain interoperability, facilitated by the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol, further enhances its utility. The native $OM token underpins the entire ecosystem, serving crucial roles in governance, network security through staking, and transaction fee payments. MANTRA's strategic focus on regulatory compliance, coupled with its increasing institutional integrations and significant transaction volumes, firmly establishes it as a pivotal player in the rapidly evolving RWA sector. Poised to reshape global finance. What is Mantra Chain? Layer 1, Cosmos-based, security-first RWA blockchain. Mantra Chain functions as a modular Layer 1 blockchain specifically engineered to address the escalating demands of decentralized finance, DeFi, and real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. With a foundational commitment to regulatory compliance. This design philosophy is central to its utility in the evolving digital asset landscape. Mantra Chain is developed using the Cosmos SDK, which inherently provides a flexible, scalable, and interoperable framework through its modular architecture. This allows for tailored solutions and efficient network evolution, ensuring our platform can adapt to diverse and complex RWA requirements. At Mantra, we explicitly define ourselves as a security-first RWA Layer 1 blockchain, capable of adherence to real-world regulatory requirements. This unique positioning, allowing us to operate as a permissionless blockchain while supporting and enforcing permissioned applications. A critical feature for institutional adoption. This architectural choice is a core design philosophy and a deliberate strategic decision. Unlike many general-purpose Layer 1 blockchains that aim for broad smart contract execution, at Mantra, we aim to carve out a specialized, high-value niche. By prioritizing regulatory adherence from our architectural foundation, Mantra will directly address the primary barrier to entry for traditional financial institutions into the blockchain space. MANTRA's foundational vision is to become a leader in the RWA tokenization sector. Vision and core purpose. MANTRA's overarching vision is to seamlessly bridge the existing gap between traditional finance, TradFi, and decentralized finance, DeFi, by cultivating blockchain ecosystem capable of supporting both decentralized and compliant applications and use cases. This integration is crucial for unlocking the vast potential of RWAs within the digital economy. Our platform's core purpose is underscored by our commitment to not only ensure strict adherence to established financial regulations but also to provide highly customizable solutions tailored for the secure and accessible transition of real-world assets into the digital realm. Our bespoke approach facilitates a smoother onboarding process for diverse asset types, addressing the unique complexities each RWA brings. Since its inception, Mantra has demonstrated significant progress, with goals to evolve from promising concept into fully operational ecosystems. We aspire to effectively connect traditional financial infrastructure with decentralized technologies. Mantra Chain is at the forefront of blending traditional financial markets with blockchain technology. In essence, real-world asset, RWA, tokenization promises users a compliant and frictionless method to transfer full or fractional ownership of diverse assets across various jurisdictions and blockchain ecosystems. However, in reality, there are numerous obstacles at every stage of this process, from asset exchange to blockchain interoperability and jurisdictional transitions. While tokenization has long been hailed as blockchain's allure for conventional finance, the initial assumption was that banks would exclusively develop and utilize their own proprietary blockchain solutions. Traditional industries, from finance to supply chain, invested billions in developing private blockchain-based enterprise networks to facilitate seamless tokenized value exchange between pre-approved intermediaries. The concept was that launching these sophisticated, albeit closed, digital networks would somehow invigorate traditionally illiquid assets such as real estate, equities, debentures, commodities, or art. However, closed networks remain inherently limited, and permissioned networks have yet to achieve critical mass. Current evidence suggests they may never do so in their present form. Permissionless blockchain for permissioned applications. Mantra Chain offers an innovative solution, a permissionless environment where permissioned applications can flourish. Instead of embedding compliance at the consensus level, smart contract modules enable flexible, robust permissioning at the application layer as needed. Mantra Chain empowers developers to create sophisticated financial products and services, bridging the gap between traditional finance and decentralized systems. Mantra's product suite not only simplifies the process of bringing real-world assets on-chain but also ensures regulatory compliance for these digital representations. Key features of Mantra's RWA product suite include Mantra DID, Digital Identity, Mantra Guard, Mantra Token Service, MTS, Mantra DEX, Decentralized Exchange, Mantra Leap, Liquidity Efficient Emissions Protocol. Other benefits of Mantra Chain: multi-chain decentralized application (DApp) ecosystem, vertically integrated blockchain ecosystem, build DApps on COSM WASM, IBC-compatible tokens. Tokens launched on Mantra Chain can operate on a variety of networks. Mantra Chain can facilitate fast cross-chain transactions across the largest L1 networks. Mantra DID, Digital Identity. The DID module revolves around issuing a digital identity as a soul-bound NFT. This process begins with Know Your Customer (KYC) verification through a regulated entity authorized in the relevant jurisdiction. Users must provide their Mantra Chain wallet address along with standard KYC information during onboarding. Mantra Guard. The Guard module is Mantra Chain's proprietary compliance and permissioning system, working in tandem with the DID module to enforce permissions at the protocol level. It interprets metadata within the soul-bound NFT (DID) to determine user access to specific features, assets, or services on the network. Mantra Token Service, MTS. This comprehensive module allows for creating, managing, and controlling tokenized assets on Mantra Chain. Key features include a token factory, configurable workflows, admin rights, comprehensive token management, minting, burning, seizing, freezing, distributing, built-in functionality, jurisdictional compliance, and bank module integration. Mantra DEX, Decentralized Exchange. Mantra Chain's exchange platform introduces a revolutionary protocol-level liquidity pool system, forming the backbone of decentralized finance on the platform. It creates a permissionless environment with blockchain-integrated liquidity, featuring whitelisted liquidity pools operating as standard automated market maker (AMM) swaps. Mantra Leap, Liquidity Efficient Emissions Protocol. This innovative protocol, currently under development, addresses the pervasive issue of liquidity scarcity in crypto markets, particularly for assets beyond top-tier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Leap aims to solve the challenge of bringing liquidity to tokenized real-world assets, which are often illiquid even in traditional markets.